Alright, let's do this again. You see guys, here's my page, my vehicles page, and you can see the navigation just right here, and even here the vehicle manage page where you can add a new classification. You go to the new classification, the server said make the validation first. I don't know why, but I get this problem just since last week. But if you see the validation just with the page HTML, so you can see here it's working. And if when you add a new classification, just for example, let me put maybe this, and if you just right click there, and you can see here, and if you go to that page, to the localhost page, you can see here is adding the new classification. The problem right now is that when you add a new classification, it doesn't appear here, and you must refresh the page again and you will find it. Alright, so I tried to figure out this with my classmates, my partners, but we couldn't. We fix and we compared codes and really it doesn't work. And my plan for next week is to make an appointment with a T8, with the teacher assistant, to really know what's happening with my code, because I follow every step with from the videos, from even the instruction from the instructor, but no, it doesn't work really. All right. Okay, the validation. Okay, everything is okay with my CSS code, and if I go to the validation just right here, okay, everything is okay, nothing happened. All right, now let's go to my add a new vehicle. All right, if I go here, okay, it's just right now it's appearing here. Okay, thanks to the video I watched, I could figure out this. Okay, I'm gonna try to add a new vehicle right now here. If you see, maybe model Mercedes. Okay, description. All right. If I try to add a new vehicle now, what's gonna? Okay, you can see the sticky net right here. Okay, so it's bring me the value that I previous added. If I go to the no validate, okay, everything is working, but what's going on here? All right. Okay, here's you can see here. If I want to send the data, okay, the HTML is requiring me to add a new value here. Okay, the same happened here. The validation is doing previous, then okay, the server validations bring me this data. Please provide information for all empty space. Okay, it's here. Uh, Sorry. All right, but all right, it's right there. But when I go to the new validation, I'm sorry, just right there, no validation right now. Registered. Okay, everything is bringing me here, but here this is not working yet. All right, something else. All right, if you can see, all right, you asked me to show you. Okay, the nav really now is working well, but okay, now let's go to the accounts. It's the same nav. If I go to this part also, it's the same nav. All right, so I tried to make a new code and add it to the function page to bring the nav in all views, but I don't know, something happened. Maybe it's because I couldn't figure out this to the menu vehicles. Where is the page vehicles? Okay, maybe it's because I couldn't fix it, this problem here. When I try to add a new function in the function page, it doesn't work. Okay, and bring me a lot of problems. Brings me a lot of problems. Okay, if I go to CSS is working well. All right, and validate look HTML. Okay, what? Oh, oh, so all right, let's do this again. Okay, previous. I stopped my recording because that problem did appear previous, and try to figure out what was the errors that brings me this kind of. All right, now I hope the server is working okay. So I'm going to go to the validation HTML, and all right, again now, but previous I did before this, and yeah, bring me this message first. All right, so no errors again, but now I'm trying to do it again, but I put this kind of message here. All right, but all right, maybe that's all for now this week. And as I said before, I'm gonna have an appointment with the teacher assistants to really see what's happened with my code, because it's not bring me the result I really want to have, and I get the same problem from the last week, and but the sticky is working, and maybe that's all. Thank you.